Hey guys, this is Diamond 2004 Gaming here today. Today would be a hilarious video because there are MLG sound effects. You want to hear them more louder? Turn off the volume with headphones. First we'll be doing this one.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Damn, son, where'd you find this? Damn, son, you just hit with the wow effect.
No one has ever done that! No one has ever done that in the history of Dota!
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah! Oh my God! Oh! Are you not recording? Are you recording, Crickshaw?
No, you didn't! Bro! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh, you just... Oh my God! Oh my God!
Way to make it.
Shots fired! Shots fired!
Yes! Oh my God!
Smoke weed every day.
That's my favorite one, guys.
Smoke weed every day.
Tactical nuke incoming!
What you say?
Wombo combo! That ain't Falco! That ain't Falco!
Wow.
Spooky, scary skeletons and shivers down your spine. Shrieking skulls will shock your soul, seal your doom tonight. Spooky, scary skeletons speak with such a screech. You'll shake and shudder in surprise when you hear these zombies shriek.
What are you doing in my swamp?
This one's a good one, guys.
Psych! That's the wrong number!
Gay! And his name is John Cena! Killing spree.
Okay. This is what you guys should do every day.
Smoke weed every day.
No, you didn't.
Gay. And his name is John Cena. Gay. And his name is John Cena.
Oh, baby, a triple! Oh, yeah!
The recommended amount of dedicated RAM I should have to the server.
Wombo combo. That ain't Falco. That ain't Falco. Smoke weed every day.
Killing spree.
And his name is John Cena. And his name is John Cena. And his name is John Cena.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Okay. Okay, guys, I guess that was funny to you guys, but it's not see my reaction because I already went over all this before I recorded. Yeah, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys later. Bye.